Best for less.
I think we're seeing some sun out there somewhere. Yeah, breaking news.
Get a picture.
It's where we saw it yesterday at this time. So Ramona, Julian, out in the deserts, that's where we're seeing a lot of sunshine right now. For the areas that were stuck in the clouds at this time yesterday, we're still stuck in the clouds. That includes La Mesa, very cloudy here. Ramona, though, clearing on out. And the temperatures are on the cool side for everybody that's seeing those clouds. So 60s for most of us. Our temperatures have barely budged this morning. If you recall, most of us started off at 60. So we've warmed, what, 3 to 5 degrees compared to this morning. Whereas our mountains, yeah, we're going to be in the 80s this afternoon. Warner Springs already at 85. Today I'm forecasting to be the last day at least of the next several in our triple digits. So if you're headed out to the Padres game, they take on the Cubs, second game of the series, 7:10, first pitch. Temperatures won't be changing much as we head through the game. So if you're comfortable now, you might be comfortable then if you're going out to that game. Though remember, the sun won't be out, so it'll be feeling a little bit cooler, so you might want to bring a light jacket. So the reason we're seeing the clear skies for the coast, or excuse me, rather for the mountains and the foothills, is we do have offshore winds there. You can see those red arrows. I know they're light because the winds aren't very strong, but then coming off the ocean, we do have that sea breeze, and that's ushering in that marine layer. And it's all due to this storm system up to the north. The circulation around it is bringing in that deeper marine layer, the May gray, like we call it, like we call it this month. Next month, of course, we will call it June gloom, but the first days of June actually will not be cloudy. So along the coastline, morning clouds will start to clear off faster and better starting Thursday, continuing into the weekend. Perfect timing for the San Diego Fair, which opens up on Friday. Inland neighborhoods, we are going to see slow clearing today and tomorrow, very similar to yesterday. Faster clearing, more sunshine Thursday and Friday into the weekend. 80s return Friday and Saturday. For our mountains, cooler tomorrow in the 70s, but overall still really nice, keeping it in the 70s into the weekend. And yeah, there you go. Last day in the triple digits, but still pretty hot, 95, 94 the next couple of days in the deserts.